Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet this little girl headband. And you can see I've used this shiny yarn. It's not that visible, but it's really shiny. I've used this yarn which I got from market, and I'm using this 4mm hook, and you'll find in the description box below the size, so just check over there. So let's get started. So for this project I've done slip knot and chain 62. So you need to chain as many as you need, so as big as you want to make it, and the size you'll find in the description box, so check it out. I've done here 62 chains, and make sure not to twist the work, and then you need to slip stitch to the first chain. So here is my first chain, and slip stitch, and now I'll be working chain 2 and do 1 half double crochet into each of the stitches. So this is the first one, so I'm going into the next and do my half double crochet. So this one is a half double crochet round. You need to go around and do in each stitches 1 half double crochet, and to finish this first round you'll need to slip stitch to the chain 2. And for the second round I'm going to do chain 2, which is counted as the first half double crochet, and then I'm going to do on each of the stitches 1 half double crochet, and I'm going to use only this front loop. So you've got 1 and 2 loops, and I'm going to use only the front. So this is the repeat pattern, the round 2 and half double crochet, and continue in each. So now that I'm working into this side, this is going to be the inner side, so the wrong side, and this side is going to be the right side. You will later see why, because the ribs is going to be on the other side, so that's why. So as you continue, you're gonna see more of it. And to finish off this second round, I'm going to do the same thing, which is a slip stitching to the chain 2, and then I'm going to repeat the round 2 for as many times as I want. So what you're going to do is just chain 2 and do the same way using this front loop. You're going to do the half double crochet and repeat. So this is very simple. And I'm going to continue. So this is what it's gonna look like. So this is the wrong side and this is the right side. So I think because it's white, you can't see it properly. And I've just continued for, I think, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 rounds, and then you can join the flowers you want. So here go the red one, the white. So to check how to crochet these flowers, check my video. So after finishing, you'll just need to join the flower, so whichever color you want. And to check the flower tutorial, check my last video, and don't forget to like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel. So thank you.